Good morning, children. This is our grade 2 EVS class. Children, we are going to see about plants around us. We see many plants around us. On the basis of the size and kinds of stem, plants are different kinds. Children, or you saw the different kinds of plants, no? Small to big, and that stem also soft to hard. Basis on this, we can differentiate the plant, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Now first we are going to see about trees. T or E-E-S, trees. Children, you must have seen some plants which are tall and big. Tall and big plants are called trees. Yes, no, it's a tall and big plants. It's called trees. The trees have branches. Yes, no, it's a branches. Spelling for branches are B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Branches. Trees bears branches. Next one. The trees have hard and woody stem. Trees have a hard and woody stem called trunk. What it is? The tree's stem is called trunk. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. It is hard and woody stem. Then the trees give us shade. S-H-A-D-E, shade, because it spread out the branches. Yes, no, when we are on roadside, it's a very hot sun, we can take rest under the trees. Yes, no, see in this people also, they are standing under the tree. So trees give us shade. So tall and big plants are called trees. Tall and big plants are called trees. Trees have hard and woody stem. It is called trunk. Then its branches, give us shade. For this example, neem tree, N-E-E-M, neem tree. Then banyan tree, B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan, T-R-E-E. These are the examples. Neem tree, banyan tree, mango tree, M-A-N-G-O, mango, T-R-E-E, mango tree. Mango tree, we can get mangoes. Yes, no, then it also very big tree, have more branches and have hard and woody stem. It's called trunk. Yes, no, and this tree branches also spread out to give us shade. And some trees are tall and thin. Thin and tall trees like pine tree. See this tree, it's a very tall and thin. And coconut tree. In these trees do not have branches. This is thin and tall plant, which are pine tree and coconut tree, then palm tree. These are the examples of thin and tall plants. Then next we are going to see about shrubs. SHRUBS, shrubs. Children, or you saw the hibiscus plant and rose plants, no? These are the shrubs. These plants are little smaller than trees. And in this plants also have woody stem like trees. In this shrubs also have woody stem. See, in this bougainvillea plant, it is the shrub only, but it has woody stem. Next, it has many branches. Shrub have many branches. These branches grow close to the ground because like tree in this shrubs will not go height. Okay children, it's grow, these branches are grow close to the ground. In the shrubs, examples are hibiscus, rose or O-S-E, rose, then cotton plant, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton plant, P-L-A-N-T, cotton plant. In these shrubs, roots do not go deep into the ground. So shrubs roots do not go deep into the ground. It is the cotton plant. This also shrub. See, very little smaller than trees. Next one, we are going to see about herbs. 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 Children, in last video, we saw many herbs. Yes, no? For activity class in the gardening, we saw the herbs. The herbs are very small plants. Herbs are very small plants. And they have soft stem. Herbs are very small plant and it have soft stem. Before we saw the trees and shrubs or trees are hard and woody stem. Shrubs are woody stem, but in this herbs have soft stem. Then herbs are mostly green in color. We saw the tulsi, mint plant and all, no? That are green in color. See, this is example for herbs. Tulsi, then mint. In this mint plant also herb. M-I-N-T, mint. In this plant stem also, it's very soft, no? Yeah, and in this is green in color. It is herbs means what? It is the medicinal plant and we can use for food also. In this grass also herb. What color is it? It's a green in color and in this stem also very soft. So what is herb means? Very small plants and have soft stem are called herbs. Next, we are going to see about climbers. What is it? Climbers. C-L-I-M. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. Some plants have weak stem. Children, see in this plant, it is have very weak stem. Yes, no? Yeah, in this plant, they cannot stand or grow straight. See this money plant, it need support to climb. Because it's a very weak stem, no? So it can't grow straight. For this example is grapevine, G-R-A-P-E, grape, V-I-N-E, grapevine, bean, B-E-A-N, bean. Then beetle, B-E-T-E-L, beetle. What is mean by beetle? Means vetrilai. In Tamil we can say it's a vetrilai. Kodi, climbers na? Kodi. Money plant, M-O-N-E-Y-P-L-A-N-T, money plant. These are the example for climbers. Climbers, they are need support to grow. Then now we are going to see creepers. Some plants that have weak stem like climbers, these creepers also have weak stem, but climbers, it can need support and can climb up. But in this creepers, it's grow along the ground. It's grow along the ground. It's all called creepers. In this creepers also have weak stem and it's grow along the ground. Children, in this creepers, examples are, see in this pumpkin, it's grow along the ground. See this picture, it's a pumpkin plant. How it is? It's grow along in the on the ground. This also pumpkin. It's an example for creepers. Pumpkin. 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 Then watermelon, WATER, watermelon, MELON, watermelon. These are the creepers which are pumpkin and watermelon. Then another one example is bottle gourd, BOTTLE, bottle, GOURD. In Tamil we can say it's a surakai, no? It also creeper. It will grow along the ground and it have weak stem. So creepers, for that example is pumpkin, watermelon and bottle gourd. Children, next we are going to see about thorny plants. What is it? Thorny. Thorny means mullu. Mullu chedin solron, yeah, that plant. Some plants like rose and cactus have thorns. Some plants will have thorns on their stem. Okay. Which plant can you say? Yeah, rose plant. Or you saw the rose plant on the stem? It will have more thorns, no? Yeah, so thorny plant, example, rose plant and cactus. Cactus means that chapati kalli in Tamil we can say cactus. COCTUS, cactus. COCTUS, cactus. Then next type is aquatic plant. Before we saw that shrubs, herbs, trees, climbers, creepers and all, no? That all it's have on land. That habitat is land, but this one is aquatic plant. That means it's grow in water. Aquatic plant means what? It will grow in water. Which are the plant will grow in water? This is, we are differentiate based on the habitat. The trees, shrubs, herbs and creepers, climbers, these all land, that habitat, they are live on land. But the aquatic plants, they live in water. For this example is lotus, 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 and hydrilla. These are the water plant, HYDRILLA, hydrilla. These are the water plants. So children, now you know differentiate of the plants. Okay children, in this lesson over.
Children, now this is reading time. We are going to read our lesson. This is our science book. Okay, you should take your book and pencil. Okay, children, sit straight. We can read our lesson. This is our science book. Take page number 3. It's lesson 1. Plants around us. Plants around us. Let us start. See. Take your pencil and keep on the line like this. You see many plants around you. You see many plants around you. Are they green in color? Are they green in color? Are these of different shapes and sizes? Are they of the same color? Do plants grow only on land? Most plants are green in color and they are of different shapes and sizes. Most plants grow on land while some grow in water. Children, take next page. On the basis of the size and kinds of stem, plants are of different kinds. They are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Can we say again? Trees. What is this? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. First we are going to see about trees. What is it? Trees. You must have seen some plants which are tall and big. You must have seen some plants which are tall and big. They have a hard and woody stem called trunk. They have a hard and woody stem called trunk. They spread out to give us shade. These tall and big plants are called trees. Some trees such as coconut and pine are thin and tall. For this example is neem tree, banyan tree, mango tree. The tall and thin trees are pine and coconut. Next one, shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. You may have noticed some plants are a little smaller than trees. These are called shrubs. They have woody stems. They have many branches. They have woody stems. They have many branches. These branches grow close to the ground, but their roots do not go deep into the ground. So children, read again. You may have noticed some plants are a little smaller than trees. These are called shrubs. They have woody stems. They have many branches. These branches grow close to the ground, but their roots do not go deep into the ground. For the shrubs, the examples are rose, cotton, hibiscus. These are some shrubs. Next one, herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Herbs. Some very small plants. Some very small plants are called herbs. Some very small plants are called herbs. They have soft stems. They have soft stems. Herbs are mostly green. Herbs are mostly green. So herbs are very small plants. So they have soft stems and it's mostly green in color. For this example, mint, tulsi, grass or some herbs. Climbers. What is this? Climbers. Some plants have weak stems. Some plants have weak stems. They cannot stand or grow straight. They cannot stand or grow straight. They need the support of other plants. They need the support support of other plants. Sticks or a wall to grow straight. They are called climbers. Some plants have weak stems. They cannot stand or grow straight. They need the support of other plants, sticks, or a wall to grow straight. They are called climbers. For this example, grapevine being money plant or some climbers. Next one is creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. Some plants that have weak stems. Some plants that have weak stems and grow along the ground like this. Okay, so some plants that have weak stems and grow along the ground are called creepers. Some plants that have weak stems and grow along the ground are called creepers. For this example, pumpkin, watermelon and bottle gourd are some of the creepers. Children, this is an activity. See, write S below the shrub, T below the tree, H below the herb, CL means it's a climber, it's below the climber, and CR creeper. Okay. See, in this plant, what is it? It is the coriander plant, no? What it is? Coriander is a herb. So, in the box, this box you must write H. This one, hibiscus. Hibiscus is a shrub. This is mango tree. So, I have written here T. Next 3 is homework for you. You must do that. See the next one. Some plants like rose and cactus have thorns. Already we said the cactus and all that stem, it bears thorns. Okay. So some plants like rose and cactus have thorns. They are called thorny plants. They are called what plant? Thorny. 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 So some plants like rose and cactus have thorns. They are called thorny plants. Next one, live aquatic plants. What is it? Aquatic plants. A-Q-U-A-T-I-C. Aquatic. P-L-A-N-T-S. Aquatic plants. Plants also grow in water. Plants also grow in water. They are called aquatic plants. Which plants will grow in water is called aquatic plants. Plants also grow in water. They are called aquatic plants. For this example, lotus, L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Hydrilla, H-Y-D-R-I-L-L-A, hydrilla. So lotus and hydrilla are some aquatic plants. Some aquatic plants. Next one, life of plants. Life of plants. Many trees and shrubs live for many years. Many trees and shrubs live for many years. Banyan tree lives for hundreds of years. See this one? The great banyan tree in Kolkata. This is the oldest banyan tree. The oldest banyan tree. It has 1,000 years old in India. Can be found in the Botanical Garden of Kolkata. Okay, here in Kolkata, the Botanical Garden, there is 1,000-year-old banyan tree is there. So children, see again, life of plants. Many trees and shrubs live for many years. Banyan tree lives for hundreds of years. But herbs are mostly seasonal plants. Herbs are a seasonal plant. So they live only for a few months. They live only for a few months. So trees and shrubs are the year plant. It have many years, but the herbs or the seasonal plants, it's live only for a few months. Okay, that season, summer season, winter season, like that having no. So that season, which herb can grow, that herb only we can get. Okay, children, can say again, life of plants. Many trees and shrubs live for many years. Banyan tree lives for hundreds of years. Herbs are mostly seasonal plants. They live only for a few months. Okay, children, see this? Big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. Shrubs are small plants with woody stems. Shrubs are small plants with woody stems. Herbs are small plants with soft green stems. Herbs are small plants with soft green stem. Climbers need support of a wall, sticks or other plants to stand or grow straight. Climbers need support of a wall, sticks or other plants to stand or grow straight. Creepers grow along the ground. Creepers grow along the ground. Plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants. Plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants. Trees and shrubs live for many years. Trees and shrubs live for many years. Herbs are seasonal plants. Herbs are seasonal plants. They live only for a few months. They live only for a few months. Okay, children, we are completed our first lesson. Okay, next video we can start the book exercise and classwork. Okay, children, stay safe, stay home. Okay, wear a mask when you are going out. Then eat nutrient-rich food items and drink plenty of water. Stay home, stay safe. We will meet next video. Thank you, children. Bye.